Hello there, you're welcome again to our lesson number 6. And lesson number 6, we are going to look at creating and formatting tables. So in this lesson, we will convert data into a structured table for easy management. Let's go straight and open our Excel sheet. So let's get this one. So in this case, if we have got, this is our Excel sheet. Don't mind, I was just trying to zoom it so that it looks bigger. Let's come there. That is our Excel sheet. Now let's create, for instance, we have got data. Our data is, we have, example, days, and we have got days, and then let's say the people that attended, say people there, and then we have got, here we have the days, we have got the days of the week. We have got Monday, Tuesday, and then let's use okay. So on these days, I was just trying to use flash fill. We are going to learn that in the days to come. Let me just reach some. So we are there. So we have got Monday, days of the week, and any people that were in attendance. So we come there, for example, here we have 56, then we have 76, then we have 80 people. Here we had only 2, then we have 76 again, 3, then we have 54, then we have 23, and okay, that's all. So we have got this data that is not well structured. It is not well structured in the sense that it's supposed to be put in something which is called a table. And the table will be able to, for easy management, to make us to be able to manage the data which is there. Now in this case, when you have got that data like that, if you want to create a table, the quickest way you can do it is just say Control T. So let's say Control T, and then it will highlight the data that needs to be formatted. It will highlight the data that we are supposed to work with. And if we've confirmed that's the data, then there's this question here. Where is the table for your data? So that's the table. That's the one that has been highlighting. If you can see this border that are moving around. Then my table, there is this one here. My table has headers. If it has got the headers that we are talking about are this, for example, days, people. Now in this case, we can confirm to say, if there is no headers, then we uncheck that one. But if there are headers, then we check that one. So that's it. And then from there, we say, okay. So when we say okay, it is going to show us now that our data is something like that. That's now our table. We have created a table. And after creating a table, then what do? The moment you create a table, there is a tab that is going to be highlighted. This one, which is called table design. So this table design, it will enable us now to format a table the way we want. As you can see here, there is header row. The header row is there. So if we don't want it to be there, we just uncheck, and then it will go. So if you see, it has gone for the days. And then if you want it to be there, then we check again, it is there. So first column, If you say, no, I don't need I want the first column, you click there. Say the first column, it has shown like that. So using these that are here, you navigate through and you'll be able to format the table. As you can see, the table name is right here. So you can even change the name of the table. Let's change this table to say, let's change it to say work. Okay, that is a work table. Work table. So we have changed this name, the name for the table to work table. And again, we can even set a slicer. We can export, refresh. We can do whatever we want. Banded rows. Banded rows are these lines that you see here. You can see there are rows. This one is a little dark blue. This one is light, just like that, for easy readability, so that you can be easily read through. But you can say, no, me, I don't want the banded rows. You can uncheck. Okay, what is it saying? It's saying the syntax of the name isn't correct. The syntax of the name isn't correct, like the one that was there. So let's just say, okay, let's try to write work there. So we have written work, and then let's come to banded rows. Let us try to uncheck. So we have unchecked. The banded rows are gone. The banded rows are gone. When the banded rows go, they are gone. You see what has happened? Now, if we want to say, we are not done with what we were doing, let's see again. First column, what we can change, the table styles are here. So we can change, so we want this kind of a table. So you choose. So that is our table. Let us try to highlight. Okay, let's try to highlight like this. Let us highlight, and then let's come to table design. You say, we want a table which is like that one, or we want a table like that one. If you want more, click that one. You have a lot of them here, so you customize it your own way, like that. So using the table styles, and there are table styles options, and then external table data if you want to export, and then also here the tools slicer. We're going to look at this in the near future. And then here the properties of the table name, then resize the table, we use that. So that's all about creating and formatting a table. So thanks for listening. Have a good day. This marks the end of lesson number 6.